Testimony is underway in the landmark trial of Jennifer Crumbley in Michigan today. Crumbley and her husband are the first parents of a mass shooter to be charged in the United States. Their son carried out the deadly attack at Oxford High School in November of 2021. 4 students, you'll recall, were killed. Both parents are accused of making the gun accessible to their son and ignoring the warning signs prior to the shooting.
Jennifer Crumbley didn't pull the trigger that day, but she is responsible for those deaths. These kids were gunned down inside Oxford High School with this gun. It's a 6-hour 9mm handgun purchased 4 days before the shooting by James Crumbley, Jennifer's husband and father of the school shooter.
Elaine Quijano joins us now from the courthouse in Pontiac, Michigan. Elaine, you were there inside of the courtroom during these opening statements. What did both sides have to say?
Yeah, well, during opening statements, as you laid out from the prosecution, we heard sort of their broad overview of how they plan to present this case. The assistant prosecutor, whom you heard there in that soundbite, raised the question at one point, saying, how can Jennifer Crumbley be held criminally responsible if she, in fact, did not pull the trigger? We know that her son, the shooter, was convicted and sentenced. The prosecutor explained to the jury their belief that the charge of involuntary manslaughter is not about who actually pulled the trigger, but in his words, was rooted in negligence. Now, the defense team, for their part, previewed their arguments that Jennifer Crumbley, they say, did not know about the depths of her son's mental state. The attorney suggested that responsibility for what happened in 2021 lay elsewhere. She said Jennifer Crumbley's husband, James, was the one in the household who was responsible for keeping guns secured. She also suggested that during the trial, the jury would hear about how much of the information that the school, Oxford High School, actually had about her son's behavior was not actually shared with her. That is what the defense attorney said the jury would learn about. And finally, Lana, interestingly, she said that her client, Jennifer Crumbley, would in fact take the stand at some point during this trial.
And Elaine, prosecutors are calling their witnesses now. Talk to us a little bit about their first witnesses and what you're seeing.
Yeah, so the first witness, Molly Darnell, was one of the 7 people who was wounded. 4 students were killed. Molly Darnell described in chilling detail that day back in November of 2021 when she says that she heard what she thought might have been a drill. And in very, very specific detail and an emotional recounting, explained to the jurors and to the court what she saw from her vantage point. Let's listen to some of that.
I lock eyes with him, and I instantly see that movement. And I jump to the side. Okay. So when I move, I kind of jump and turn my body this way at the same time.
Okay, and for the record, you're motioning, turning your shoulders to the right.
To the right. Mm-hmm. And I feel like my left shoulder moves back a bit, and I feel a burn like hot water had stung me.
She says basically it was a door and her move to turn her body that saved her life. She showed the jurors where exactly she was shot, but a compelling bit of testimony there, and that testimony from other witnesses is continuing later today. Lana?
A landmark case, one that we are all watching. Elaine, thank you.